All right, hi. Welcome back. My name is Alain Boisvert here at Inaxsys Security System. What we're going to talk about today is our Arkiv system, which is our VMS, so video management software, and I'm going through some of the features. So here we go. I have it open already. Basically, what I want to do first is add some devices. So Arkiv is very special. We speak to over 10,000 different devices. We call them devices and not, CCTV or IP cameras. A device for us also means an NVR, a DVR, and of course a bunch of cameras. We have a whole slew of different manufacturers that we communicate with. So under here, my laptop. I'm working off my laptop, so I can do add device. Automatically, it is scanning for what's on the network. I think basically here I'm on the guest network of the Inaxsys office, so therefore it might take a little while, but you'll notice that sometimes we find photocopiers or basically my laptop has a camera. It should come up. I can add it into the software. I'll try doing that as soon as the scan here gets completed. Oh, okay, well, since we're waiting, I'm going to show you a couple of things here. So I spoke about 10,000 different devices. So here are a bunch of different manufacturers that we communicate with. And once you select one, and if I don't want to scroll down the list, I can easily put, SAM, for example, and everything that, there's Samsung, there's different manufacturers that I've never heard of, for example, Grand Stream. And under Grand Stream, there's different models. So in this case, there's not many. A lot of, there's much bigger manufacturers that have longer lists of integrated systems or integrated cameras into our system, or NVRs, et cetera, et cetera. So this is how you go and communicate. I can enter different cameras or different devices manually as well. So if I do have, instead of scanning and waiting here, if I did have the IP address of any camera that be located onto my system, I can manually add them in. And of course, in any addition of a camera or a device, you absolutely need the username and password to get into that device. And once you've completed this, there's a plus sign, green button here at the end. You press the plus sign, and it then gets added into the system. So once it's added, this is the type of page you'll receive. What I've done earlier, basically, I've added a video clip or of a show, basically directly into the system. So that's another thing with Arkiv. It's devices. It can be a video feed. It can be absolutely any video feed, a movie, a clip, and then with these clips or any device that I bring into the system, you can then apply, once you have the video feed, I can then apply a bunch of analytics, record that again. It's limitless. Basically, whatever Arkiv can do, can also do it not just on a camera, but can also do it on a video clip as well. Let me go back on adding a device here. The scanning is taking a long time. It's not showing up anything. So that's why I just showed you the video clip that was added here, generally here. So if I had a system that was composed of 40 or 50 cameras, I would have a list of every single camera there, and I can add them all at once with the same password, if the passwords are the same for each one of the cameras, or individually. Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our website, to our YouTube channel. Encourage us as much as you can. If you have any questions further onto adding devices into Arkiv, please communicate with us, ask us questions, go into the comments section. We're there to help. Thank you very much.